We are at Taste of India Festival today with our booth of Kesar Foods. We serve kulfi, milk badam and faluda at the events. If anyone is missing the flavors of back home with kulfi, they can try our kulfi at any Indian store in Brampton, London, Kitchener, Vancouver, Surrey, Abbotsford, Halifax. We are available in most Indian stores in these areas.
I'm here at Taste of India, and I think the best part is definitely the people and the vibe here. But another best part that we saw here is Kesar Kulfi. I think one of the best authentic kulfis that we have had in such a long time in Canada, and available in whole of GTA, Vancouver, a lot of places. You guys definitely need to try it out. Kesar Kulfi.
तो दोस्तों ये अभी हम टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया में आए हुए हैं, टोरंटो में लोकेटेड है। अभी यहाँ पे हमने ट्राई किया केसर का बादाम पिस्ता कुल्फी, एकदम बहुत बढ़िया है। आज तक अभी हमने ट्राई नहीं किया था, मतलब किसी भी कंपनी का इतना फ्लेवर में पैकेजिंग में अवेलेबल नहीं था। इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस फ्लेवर। थैंक यू।
वाह, टोरंटो तो टोरंटो है, लेकिन कुछ ही समय में आप इंडिया बन जाएगा भाई। आप देख लेना, यहाँ हमारे पाजी लोग भी है, हमारे इंडियन सब लोग हैं, तो टोरंटो को इंडिया बनने में ज्यादा देर नहीं लगेगा दोस्तों। देख लिया इवेंट, प्रीति जिंटा भी आई हुई है। ओके, सी यू, बाय।
I'm the owner of Jagdish Farsan Canada. We launched Jagdish Farsan Canada in Taste of India, which is the biggest event of North America in food festival. We are launching multiple venture here. One venture is jagdishmills.ca, which is subscription-based food. Another is a Jagdish distribution, where we gonna distribute all our namkeens in all over Canada. And fourth business, we are doing catering business on the name of Jagdish. Jagdish is 90 plus year legacy, everybody knows. So we're gonna carry on that legacy in Canada as well. Thanks.
Brand Jagdish Farsan Private Limited was started by my great grandfather in 1938 in the city of Vadodara. We are manufacturers, retailers, and exporters of namkeen, sweets, salty, edibles, and ethnic snacks since 1938. And now we are here in Canada to launch our brand at Taste of India Festival, which is North America's biggest food festival happening for the past 7 years. And we're one of the sponsors out here. And now we have Jagdish Canada that we've incorporated with Irshad Pathan and myself. And we're going to take this forward. And this is our brand launch happening this weekend.
So we're moments ago. We're here at Taste of India today. We've been in business for about 14 more years. My brothers, they've been in business for 14 plus years. Taste of India, pretty good event. We'll be here again next Diwali. This Diwali we'll be here every day. Fresh momos out of the steamers. Fresh, everything's fresh. Nothing pre-prepared. Everything's fresh over here. So if you wanna come, Taste of India next year again. We'll see you here. Brother, you wanna say anything?
We have about 7 locations, one in US, Dallas, Texas. And we are looking to grow. Hope to see you guys soon in India, Delhi.
I hope everyone is enjoying Taste of India. So I'm representing MTR Foods. This is our 100 years, a century in global market. However, in Canada, we are since last 20 to 25 years. We cater across all the Indian ethnic stores. We are widely present against Loblaws. Go to any Real Korean superstore, Loblaw store, No Frill stores, you will find MTR products. On top of that, not only that, if you go to Walmart, you'll be able to find breakfast mixes, so as some masalas. So overall response for Taste of India has been fantastic, fabulous. We have received phenomenal response. We have recently launched our cup pohas with Walmart, and they are rolling out first week of September. So everyone, please come join us at MTR booth at Taste of India. Thank you.
Myself, Surinder Pahuja. I am from Connaught Place. मेरे फादर ने बिजनेस मॉडल का कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में 1971 से कनॉट प्लेस में शुरू किया था। तब से ये हम रन कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद मेरे फादर के बाद मैं तब से चला रहा हूँ इस कॉन्सेप्ट को, और उसके बाद मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरे बेटे हैं, वो चला रहे हैं। इंडिया में हमने 55 साल से वहाँ रन कर रहे हैं बिजनेस। अब 2 साल से हम यहाँ टोरंटो में आए, और 2 साल हो गए हमारे को इस टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया फेस्टिवल में लगाने का मौका मिला है, वहाँ से हम चला रहे हैं और इसे हम 2 साल से यहाँ कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं इस ब्रांड।
So this is our second year at Taste of India Festival in Toronto downtown, and it's been a great response. People have been enjoying the milkshakes that they've been missing it for so long, and finally they can enjoy the same flavors here in Canada now. And cheers to this, we're going to have more locations coming to you in and around your neighborhood. So keep watching out for us.